streams. River or stream flows are elevated. Additional details, at 4:31 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, river gauges indicated minor flooding along Flat Rock River in Rush County. Minor flooding is already occurring in the advisory area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rushville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.